If you are new to my channel, this is recipe channel. Today we are going to make cheese fritters. Let's see the ingredients. 1 cup Bengal gram flour, that is besan. Half cup processed cheese. 6 slices of bread. I have cut it round with the help of round mold. You can cut it in triangle or any other shape you like. 1/4 teaspoon asafoetida powder. 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. 1/4 teaspoon red chilli powder, as well as 1/4 teaspoon salt or salt as per taste. Let's make the batter first. First take Bengal gram flour in pan and add asafoetida powder in it. 1/4 teaspoon asafoetida powder. Asafoetida powder in it. Turmeric powder. Salt as per taste. And red chilli powder. And add water as per required, and we are going to make thick batter. Add water. So I have made batter here. Paste water at the edges of bread slices and put grated processed cheese, or you can take mozzarella cheese if you like, above it. And now take the other slice of bread and just press it gently so it will stick. And we are going to need oil to deep fry it, of course. Now third. If you make it in triangular shape, it will be bigger in size. Let's fry it. Let's heat oil in big deep pan or wok or any other kadhai. We have to dip this in this batter. And then we have to fry it. Let's heat oil in kadai and here goes the second one. See, it's hot. So it's ready now. Let's serve it. Let me show you. Cheese inside it. The cheese. You can add mozzarella cheese in it if you like. So our hot cheese fritters are ready. I have served it. Check the description box for its ingredients, and you must try my Shahi Tukda recipe too. Its link in the description box. Please check it out and subscribe to my channel. Stay positive, you can do it. See you in my next video.